Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So last night I just colored my hair using the Schwarzkopf Perfect Mousse in the shade black. And this color is only overseas. I ordered this on eBay and it was like $15 a box. Plus, I want to say like $4 or $5 in shipping. I can't remember where overseas I got this from because I've ordered like 3 or 4 of them and I can't keep up with like where each came from. So anyways, since this is overseas, none of this is in English, even the directions. And I may have screwed this up because I couldn't read the instructions. And yeah, so it tells you on the bottle, and this is in clear English, do not shake. Well, I missed that. I missed that clear as day. And so I bought 2 boxes of these and it cost me about like $35 to get both. And since the first bottle I shook it like the whole entire time. And I didn't catch the part where it said do not shake until like I was done using it and was like, crap. So I opened up my second bottle and used that, and I hopefully did it properly. I just mixed it and then just went to town and covered my roots and did like the whole process again. So I don't know, maybe this, okay, so this says it's perfect for gray coverage. Like that's all I can really read on here for a box that's all says everything in a different language. Like I can't read any of that. So yeah, and they say it's as easy as shampoo, which it is. It's super easy. So the one thing I gotta say is that it is not meant for gray hair or white hair because it washed out. I'm not happy about that because I will be coloring my hair again. Well, yeah, I was gonna say I might color my hair again tomorrow, but I'm just gonna wait until my hair is like super dirty and it needs to be re-washed before I color it again. So sometime next week I will be coloring my hair just to cover up these unwanted gray hairs that came back. I mean, for me personally, I color my hair to cover that up, and I like having a nice good refresh of hair color. So that's just me, and it did not do its job. All right, moving on. So I cannot tell you if this color itched like crazy because of the color itself or for the fact that it was literally dripping down my scalp, like dripping everywhere. Like you could feel it dripping. And it was because like when I went and did my all the way around my head, and this was in the beginning before I even knew I screwed it all up, and I was working on my my roots up here. From my ear down to my neck, it dripped. And it was so itchy that I was like, oh my God, this is so irritating. And then I don't know how I did not see that. But maybe because I'm like looking and like applying it and worrying about this, I don't see all this black dripping down my neck. My whole entire collar is soaked. And it's so sticky, like it's drying on your skin and it itches and you can't get rid of it until like you get like a wet cloth and you just like rub it off and then it's fine. But it did that to my whole entire head. So I have no idea if it was itching because of the color or if it was itching because it was like dripping down my scalp and just started to like get that annoying like itch because it's drying and it's sticky and it's like So I have no idea. The good news is that I could read all the ingredients on the bottom of the box. So this, it contains toluene. It does say it's 100% ammonia free, that I can read. So since, like I said, I screwed this up and I shook the first bottle, I used my second bottle, which honestly, one box did my whole entire head. But like I said, I screwed it up the first time. I went in with my second box and did it. All I did was I took the color and I put it in the bottle and I just dumped it in, and I didn't mix it. I just went to town doing it like that. And I used my brush because I wanted it to be precise, because I'm very messy when I'm like, actually I'm messy all the time when I color my hair. So I would like squirt it here and then just take my brush and go here, because if I did my fingers and having gloves on, I'd make way more of a mess like trying to get it in there, because I want it like in. So I'm just gonna get it all over my face. And I didn't want it all over my face. I wanted it where I applied it. So I just used a brush just to like apply it everywhere. And then when I was done, I would just massage it in. And then when it came to doing the rest of my hair, I'd do one pump. And then I would do like my section and I would get it and I would just go all the way down. And then the ends needed like more. So I would do like a little pump of that just to make sure that they were all saturated. And then, like I said, I had my second bottle that I don't even know if I did it right either, because I didn't have the instructions in English to tell me like how to properly mix it. So I just did my whole entire head again. So maybe I had too much on my hair, on my head, and that's why it was dripping. But I have no idea. But it was super, super dark. When I was applying it, it came out really dark. Unfortunately, it doesn't cover up my grays. And like I said, that could have been on my part because I did it wrong the first time. I shook it when I wasn't supposed to. But I thought I covered my tracks by doing it semi-properly the second time. And I did go over everything. I started basically from the beginning, but with already colored hair. And just like applied it all on my roots again. Then did like, made sure that I covered everything so that it would have been properly covered. And I don't know. So there's no smell at all. It's just a foam. It doesn't have a scent, so you don't really need any ventilation or anything. But this is a perfect color for anyone who can get their hands on this, especially if you're a beginner. Like, it's a great beginner if you've never colored your hair before and you're not 100% sure if you do it or like it or be good at it or anything. Like, this is a good like practice, like kind of get into the swing of things and see if because doing your own hair sometimes can be intimidating, and you want to make sure that you got your whole entire head covered. So this is definitely perfect for a very, very new beginner and doesn't want to like go into a Sally's or into like a beauty store to buy a color and not have a clue what they're doing, or buying a box of hair color and not have a clue how many boxes they're going to need. Like, I always go with two. I always go with two boxes because it never hurts. And I always hate having a hair emergency halfway through a hair color being like, crap, I need another box. And you got to call someone to make a quick stop at the store for you. So I always buy an extra box just in case, because you never know. Every color is different. Every brand is different. So anyways, moving on. So this color is super dark. My hair feels so amazing. It's so soft and smooth and sleek, and it was so easy to like put in your hair, and it was so easy to like wash right out. And it is super dark. Unfortunately, like I said, my grays are already showing, so that's kind of disappointing. But it is such a beautiful color. It is just black, but it is a really nice dark black. It's not like a soft black, it's just black, and that's great, and I love that. So yeah, like I don't really have anything else bad to say about it. It just, for me, I mean, this probably won't happen to everybody, but someone will be able to read the instructions if they can read a different language. I mean, I can't read any of this. And the only thing I was able to read was like I said, the ingredients, and this color contains toluene, but that's it. Yeah, so I hope this helps somebody who can get their hands on this color. But people here in the US cannot unless they order it. But it is a very easy application to apply. And if you can read the instructions, do it properly. Don't do what I did and just shake it and realize halfway through that you weren't supposed to. That's on me. Let's see what else. I think that's all I have to say about this. So yes, I'm sorry if anyone on Instagram who was like anticipating like me to update on the last color. I have been really busy repainting my house, and I have lost track, and every time I'm like, oh, it's such a beautiful sunny day, I should take a picture of my hair to see like what it looks like after like 2 weeks of wash and how well. Time slipped by and I haven't been very good at that. But sorry. But anyways, I want to make a video on all my most frequently asked questions about my hair. I get a million questions all the time about like asking about how do I keep my hair so healthy? What do I use for like hair masks? What are my favorite hair dyes? Like all of that. I have a huge list already that I've already like got, but I want to ask you guys what you want to know so that I can either add more or if it's already the same questions that I already have. But I want to kind of go over everything and then make a video so you guys can like, so it's there. And a lot of stuff is basically the same. And like, I don't really change anything or add anything new to like my hair routine. So I kind of want to go over all the bases from like what I use for shampoo, what I use for hair masks, like how often I color my hair, like if it wasn't for like a video purpose or whatever. Like I want to give you like all your like questions that you want to know about it. So if you want to leave those in the comments below or like hit me up on Instagram. And if you don't already follow me on there, it's Nina_Gilhousen on there. And I try my best to like stay to let you guys stay in the know of like the new products I buy or like what the hair color looks like after a couple washes and stuff like that. But I slacked on the last color. Like I said, we've been repainting and I've been doing it like crazy. I've been like doing a new room like almost every single day or retouching the same room and stuff. I only have limited time when the kids are taking a nap, so I've been just busy and haven't kept up with it. So sorry about that. Yeah, so anyways, let me know if there's any colors that you want me to try. Let me know in the comments below as well. Let me know all your questions that you have for me about my hair that you want to know, and I will answer all of those in one big video. And yeah, so I will see you next time. probably sometime next week. So yeah, see you next week. And I'm definitely sure I'm going to color my hair then, because it ain't pretty right now. But yeah, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit me up on Instagram. I would love to see like everybody's results and stuff when they try a hair color. You guys can always like DM me like photos of your hair if you guys ever want to. I don't know if that's weird or not. But like I'd love to see like how it turns out with everybody, because everyone's hair is different. So like someone's hair might pick up like blue better than like mine if you try the same hair color and stuff, or someone's might come out darker, or this color might last like a full month and cover all your grays. It just isn't working for me. But like I said, I probably did it wrong. I have no idea. But anyways, yeah, so I'll see you guys next week in my next video, and yeah, bye guys.